This video will show you how to assemble the 30-inch head that is used with the 8-foot windmill. This same video can be used to assemble the 40-inch head that is used with the 11-foot windmill and the 50-inch head that is used with the 15-foot windmill. These products are manufactured by Lone Star Windmills. The tools needed for an easy assembly include a socket wrench, a 7/16 inch socket and a 1/2 inch socket, a cordless drill, a 5/16 inch magnetic nut driver, wire cutting pliers, and an adjustable wrench. Please use caution when unboxing the windmill head. There are sharp objects inside. Inside the box, you will find the assembly instructions based on the size of the windmill head, which show how to build a wood stand and how to assemble the windmill head. 4 bags of hardware labeled A, B, C, and D, 1 hub plate, blade arms. There will be 10 for the 30-inch head, or 12 for the 40-inch head, or 14 for the 50-inch head. 1 hub with front and rear bearings already installed. Fan blades, 10 for the 30-inch head, or 12 for the 40-inch head, or 14 for the 50-inch head. 1 wire ring. Fan blade tips, 20 for the 30-inch head, or 24 for the 40-inch head, or 28 for the 50-inch head. 2 pieces that make up the horizontal shaft. The fan side, which will have the lock nut attached, and the tail side. 1 tail, either plain or with a vinyl Texas flag as ordered. 1 vertical shaft, and 1 top cap. To assemble the fan frame, we will use the bag of hardware labeled with the letter A, which includes carriage bolts and nylon lock nuts. Insert carriage bolts into all square cutouts of the hub plate. Using the box to hold the bolts in place, flip this assembly over so that the threaded side of the bolts are facing upwards. Attach each blade arm using 2 nylon lock nuts. Tighten the blade arms to the hub plate. To attach the hub to the fan frame, we will use the bag of hardware labeled with the letter B, which includes hex bolts and nylon lock nuts. Notice the position of the hub in relation to the fan frame. Tighten the hub to the fan frame in a crisscross pattern. To attach the fan blades to the fan frame, begin by flipping the fan frame over. We will use the bag of hardware labeled with the letter C, which includes self-drilling hex screws. The fan blades will be positioned so that they curve upwards. Align the small holes on the fan blade to the pre-cut holes on the blade arm. Attach the fan blade using the self-drilling screws. To attach the wire ring to the fan, begin by flipping the fan over. Lay the wire ring onto the fan and then thread the straight end through the large holes on all fan blades. Bend the wire ring 90 degrees at the same position of the hooked end. Thread the bent end into the hooked end. Form a tight hook with the bent end. Cut off the excess wire on the newly formed hook. Tighten both hooks. Slide the wire ring so that the hooked ends are hidden behind a fan blade. To attach the fan blade tips, begin by removing the vinyl tip from its backing paper and position on the fan blade as shown. The vinyl tip can be peeled back and adjusted as needed to remove air bubbles and wrinkles for a smooth finish. Wrap the small amount of excess on each end to the other side of the blade. Flip the fan over and repeat the same process. To assemble the horizontal shaft, we will use 1 hex bolt and nylon lock nut from the bag of hardware labeled with the letter D. Simply slide the 2 pieces together, align the holes, and then tighten with the bolt and nut. To attach the fan to the horizontal shaft, begin by removing the large nylon lock nut from the shaft. Slide the threaded end of the horizontal shaft through the hub as shown. Position this assembly on the edge of a table and then finger tighten the large lock nut. Use an adjustable wrench to tighten the lock nut while using your other hand to secure the horizontal shaft as shown. Tighten the lock nut until the fan has slight resistance to spinning, and then back off the lock nut slightly until the fan spins freely. To attach the tail to the horizontal shaft, we will use the 2 remaining hex bolts and nylon lock nuts from bag D. Carefully slide the tail through the slit at the end of the horizontal shaft. Align the holes and then insert both bolts before releasing the tail to avoid scratching it. Attach the nuts and begin tightening them. Center the tail on the horizontal shaft and finish tightening. Finally, slide the horizontal shaft onto the vertical shaft as shown. Note that the vertical shaft will be connected to the top of the stand during the stand assembly. Congratulations! The windmill head assembly is completed.